Do you wanna give a news?
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah.
We got jobs. We got place to stay. And we're going there today.
We got the job yesterday.
We got the job yesterday. In between the last clip and this clip, a lot of stuff happened. Eh?
Yeah.
We got a job in a hotel. Both of us. And of course, we stay in a hotel. Both of us. And you know what's cool?
All this weekend.
We've been staying,
Yeah, we've been staying.
We've been staying in hotels in Gloucester Street. Okay? All the time now. Now we're gonna work in a hotel in Gloucestershire. You know? It's kind of a hint, eh?
Excuse me.
Anyway.
Yeah.
That's us for now.
Yesterday we were celebrating.
We're celebrating at a very nice Thai restaurant.
Yeah.
Exquisite cuisine.
We didn't have to have breakfast today.
Yeah.
Because of yesterday.
Yeah.
But I'm already hungry.
I knew you were gonna miss it.
I am just a poor boy, though my story is seldom told. I squandered my resistance for a pocket full of mumbles, such are promises. All lies and jest, still a man hears what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy in the company of strangers, in the quiet of the railway station, running scared. Laying low, seeking out the poorer quarters where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they will